Hello students, welcome to Post-GATE Guidance Program by IMS GATE Academy. I hope you have done well in GATE exam and I hope you are eagerly waiting for the GATE results as well. Now here IMS GATE Academy presents that Post-GATE Guidance Program for giving you awareness in selection of the specializations for your respective scores. Now here me and Saurabh sir are going to be elaborate NIT Warangal as well as NIT Trichy for their respective specializations. Okay, so what Saurabh sir, what do you say about the session what we are going to do today?
So thank you Vijay sir for the introduction. So my dear friends, I hope that you are finding it useful, the PGG institutes that we are covering. We have already covered 4 IITs. So my dear friends, what can you expect in this session? We'll be discussing all the relevant information, all the important information such as cutoff, placements, and then the companies which are visiting, then the branch specializations that you will be getting. All this important information a student can expect in this session.
Okay.
So,
so now, yes sir, tell me.
So can you just can we start with the first institute? So the first institute, as you can see my dear friends, is NIT Trichy and its NIRF ranking is 8.
Okay, sir. NIT Trichy NRF ranking is 8. So it's a very good.
Yes,
and
definitely.
Overall, engineering branch, it is NRF ranking is overall 8.
Correct.
Is very good number.
Exactly.
So now, sir, what are the specializations, particularly for mechanical students, can expect from NIT Trichy?
Correct. So my dear friends, as you can see that in NIT Trichy, as far as mechanical department is concerned, we have got 2 specializations, that is thermal power engineering and industrial safety engineering, which is TPE and ISE in short form, right?
Yeah, sir, how can you suggest that students, which one they are supposed to select?
So Vijay sir, it's all depends on the student's interest. Whatever they are inclined towards, like it's industrial application, companies might be preferring industrial, students who have done courses in industrial engineering. Some students can take thermal power based on their interest. So
Okay.
it all depends on their interest and the most important thing, the cutoff.
Right. Sir, okay. Students are eagerly waiting for thermal power engineering as well as industrial safety engineering. So, suppose the GATE qualified students, how much score they need to secure in order to fit in these 2 specializations? Can you explain that?
Yeah, so to clear that confusion, my dear friends, you can clearly see the numbers that the last student to take entry into thermal power engineering from general category was 690, and for industrial safety engineering is 679. So Vijay sir, we can see that the numbers are not that much differing.
High.
It's almost close.
And
can we see in EWS? Yes, in EWS, see, it's only one number difference.
Yeah.
Here also not much, here also not much difference, and here also
not much difference.
So we can say that both the branches of mechanical are going hand by hand.
Yeah,
they're
exactly.
Neck to neck.
So now, sir, suppose students got selected for this thermal power engineering as well as the industrial safety engineering. They joined, they finished their MTech with
Correct.
a good CGPA.
Correct.
So do they expect that specializations placements, sir?
So Vijay sir, the next slide will clear their doubt, and I have a very authentic data carried from the main site source. I've taken it that it is showing that from 2010-11 to 2021-22, the percentage placement in the respective specializations, that means it's a very, very good detail, very, very in-depth detail, that the thermal power and industrial safety, you can clearly see the percentage of students getting placed, that means 75%, 84.2, 89. So you can clearly see, okay, here the number has been decreased, but again in 2021-22 the number is back to 90.3. So my dear friends, these numbers are not at all bad numbers. It means that out of 100, 80-90 students on an average are getting placed. So
I think, sir, most probably there is a placement for MTech students, particularly these 2 specializations, is about more than 85%.
Correct.
So that so if 10 members people, if you take that, so more than 8 people can placed. All right.
That's a good number.
That's a good number. Okay.
Yes,
so people think that placements as well as they may go for the research as well. Okay.
So Vijay sir, in Trichy, good specializations is there. cutoff is fine, 690 or severe, and
placement
is also
very good.
there.
Yeah.
So it's giving a good competition to IITs.
Exactly.
In NIRF ranking also, and in terms of placements also.
Exactly. Right.
So Vijay sir, this slide will clear the students that how many companies visit NIT Trichy on an average. And sir, if you can just show them, see.
Yeah. So how many
student will be lost in these companies. We can clearly see Amazon, Google, Facebook, so many companies. We would wait for the student to check by themselves. So many companies are visiting on an average NIT Trichy. So on and all, it's a good. The student can expect a good placement scenario in NIT Tiruchirappalli.
Okay.
Correct.
Right.
So Vijay sir.
Yeah.
This was all about NIT Trichy, and students are expecting the same from NIT Warangal.
Okay.
So now, please
let me go for NIT Warangal, and it's NIT Warangal. Its NRF rank is 21 in the category of engineering. Its overall ranking is for all streams. It is considered as a 45. For particularly engineering, NRF ranking is 21. So if I go for the specializations,
so Vijay sir. NIRF ranking is good only, and a student can expect what specializations in as far as NIT Warangal is concerned.
Yeah, exactly. Now let me go for that. What are the specializations offered by the NIT Warangal Mechanical Engineering Department? See here, apart from all NITs and so many IITs, here 7 wide variety of specializations offered for the MTech program. That is that thermal engineering, manufacturing engineering, computer integrated manufacturing, and machine design, automobile engineering, material system engineering design, as well as additive manufacturing as well. So here all the 7 specializations intake is 24 number, so that students having a more chances to fit in this 7 specializations. So
Vijay sir, can student get to know the cutoffs of these as well?
Exactly. So here the cutoffs for respective specializations for MTech in Mechanical Engineering Department, these specializations are available. I will give you what are the scores required in order to fit in these 7 specializations. All right. Now, if you look into that here, thermal engineering, if the student wants to get the seat, last student wants to get the seat is according to the last year data, it is 768. And OBC 711, SC is 456, and ST is 299. Similarly, for all the 7 specializations of mechanical engineering, these are the cutoffs. For manufacturing engineering 721, OBC 654, SC 408, and ST 244. Category wise, I have select this data from the NIT Warangal website.
So Vijay sir, what I'm seeing is that these numbers are almost same as the NIT Trichy respective.
Exactly.
This we are seeing.
Yeah, but only the difference here, they are offering that wide variety number of specializations.
Correct. The specialization here offered is more.
That is why students having more chances to get the seat in MTech in NIT Warangal.
Now, Vijay sir, I have a doubt in my mind. That suppose students are not able to join these mainstream courses. So is there any other way how he or she can join NIT Warangal?
So the one who dreamed about NIT Warangal, if he is not able to get the seat in these 7 specializations, do not worry about that. Why? Because you have another chance, that is interdisciplinary courses. Interdisciplinary courses is nothing but the courses offered by the other department which are eligible for the mechanical engineering students as well. Okay, now I'll show you what are that specializations, what is that particular department. Suppose if a student is dreamed to go for NIT Warangal, if he may not able to fit in this, then he may go for the interdisciplinary courses like this. See, industrial metallurgy and materials technology, these 2 courses offered by material science and metallurgical department is offering these 2 courses. So for these courses, the mechanical engineering students who wrote GATE for mechanical stream, he may also eligible for getting the seat in these 2 specializations.
So sir, what I'm seeing is that it's not that a very high score is required. Even if he's having a score of around 600 or something, he may get seat easily.
Why? Because here scores are less, but you can fulfill your dream of NIT Warangal, isn't it? So see here, general category 418, OBC 490, and if you could talk about SC/SC category, it is very, very low.
Correct.
So
correct,
that is
correct.
why here students having more chances to get in seat in NIT Warangal.
Now, Vijay sir, I have a doubt.
Okay.
That I have a question rather. That suppose students has fulfilled all the criteria.
Okay.
He is getting a seat. Now, the most important question in his mind is that whether there will be placements or not.
Yeah.
So can can a student expect some placements in NIT?
Exactly. Now let me go for talk about placement. I have elaborated 7 specializations in mechanical engineering, 2 specializations in metallurgical and material science engineering department, right? So now the student may raise the question, he may get the seat in these 7 plus 2, 9 specializations, whether in these 9 specializations he may get placed or not. That is a question, right?
$1 million question.
Yeah. So now let us show you our placement data for specialization wise. See here, thermal engineering, total students are 16 and total eligible students are 16, placed are 14 and percentage is 87% and maximum salary package is 10 lakh, minimum is 5, average is 7.54 lakhs. Isn't it?
So it's not a bad data on an average.
Yeah, and
on
an average,
if 7 to 8 lakhs is on an average.
and in average.
So it's not at all a bad
Number. So if you look at all the specializations at their respective placement, see, so not less than at least average on an average 70% of placements are there in all respective.
This is a very good
Very,
number, my dear
good
friends.
number.
And here also you can see,
See?
the on an average you can see 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, even 10. The
10,
average is
average
going.
is 10. Yeah, so depends upon your specialization. So most of the cases, at least 70 to 75% on an average placements are available in mechanical engineering department according to the last year data. Right?
And make no mistake, my dear friends, these are the branches of
Mechanical
in which you
engineering.
can get a seat.
Yeah.
Not overall. These
Overall.
are purely mechanical.
Purely
That's
mechanical.
a very big data as far as the gate is concerned.
Yeah, exactly, guys. Okay, so by checking all these cutoffs and by checking all this placement data, and you may decide that so need to fit in NIT Warangal. Okay, and I'll tell you that one more thing. So just now I introduced the 2 interdisciplinary courses. For that interdisciplinary courses also, however the placements are also I just represent. See here. So the percentage of placed here also very less, but the thing is here average salary packages are very huge. Approximately it is 10 lakh per annum.
So Vijay sir, although the percentage is on the lower side,
Okay.
but that is fine. But this number is surprising.
Yeah, surprising.
On an average, 10 lakhs package is possible, even if the student is taking in an interdisciplinary
Courses.
branch. He may think that I am getting interdisciplinary, but whether I'll be placed or not.
Yeah.
But it's a very
See,
encouraging number, my dear friend.
exactly. See here, maximum package is 16 lakh and maximum package is, minimum package is 5 lakhs. So on an average it is around 10 lakh per annum. Okay, so this is what about the data of NIT Warangal placement. So we have covered that specializations of both NITs, NIT Trichy and NIT Warangal placements, specializations, their respective cutoffs, interdisciplinary courses and their respective cutoff and placements we have explained. I hope you have enjoyed the session.
So my dear friends, I hope you have liked the video, and we will be coming up with more such videos for you guys. So thank you very much.
Thank you.